Morning students, today we are going to start question answers of chapter 3 climate exercise B. So take out your notebook and pen to write down the question answer. So write down question 1 of exercise B. Question 1 is, what is the difference between weather and climate? What is the difference between weather and climate? You have to in answer draw a line in center and divide in two parts. Then write down about, first of all, about the weather. Answer 1, weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. Second, it may changes day to day. It may changes day to day. Third, it has constant changes. Fourth, weather affects our daily activities. Weather affects our daily activities. Now we are coming to climate. So we are finding out the difference between weather and climate. So now in climate, write down first sentence. The average weather condition of a place over a long period of time is climate. The average weather condition of a place over a long period of time is climate. Second sentence, it stay for a long period. Okay, it stay for a long period. Third, climate affects our way of life. Climate affects our way of life. This sentence you can write down in fourth one, and third one you can write, it doesn't have constant changes. It doesn't have constant changes, and climate affects our way of life. Answer 1 is complete. Now we are coming to question 2. So write down question 2. Question 2 is, why do different regions have different types of climate? Why do different regions have different types of climates? Answer 2. Yes, question 2. Why do different regions have different types of climate? Answer 2. Different regions have different types of climate because of latitude, altitude, ocean current, and wind pattern. Repeating again, different regions have different types of climate because of latitude, altitude, ocean current, and wind pattern. So now our answer 2 is over. Now we are coming to question 3. Today we are doing only question 1 to 3. To what extent does altitude influence climate? Question 3. To what extent does altitude influence climate? Answer 3. The higher we go, the colder it gets. Areas located at a high altitude have a cold climate. We know that most of the mountain peaks are covered with ice, particularly in winter. This is because the temperature at a higher altitude is very low. This explains why hill stations such as Munnar, Ooty, Shimla, Nainital, and Darjeeling are cold in summer. Answer 3. The higher we go, the colder it gets. Areas located at high altitude have a cold climate. We know that most of the mountain peaks are covered with ice, particularly PARTICULARLY in winter. This is because the temperature at higher altitude is very low. This explains why hill stations such as Munnar, Ooty, Shimla, Nainital, and Darjeeling are cold in summer. So our answer 3 is complete, students. You have to do exercise B in your notebook question 1 2 3. Before previous video we have done exercise exercise A and word meanings. So now word meanings exercise A, then you have to do this exercise B, question 1 2 3 in your notebook, and rest of the questions we will do in our next video. So students, take care, stay home, stay safe, and take healthy food. Bye. We will meet soon.